Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to set a verification with a security bot in Discord. Setting up a verification system in Discord helps protect your server by ensuring members verify themselves before accessing channels. Let's say I want to add a verification bot in this channel. Just click on your channel or server name and click on Server Settings. Go to Roles and create a new role. Give it a name like Verified. Allow some permissions. Then click on Save Changes. Now go back, click on the default permissions, and make sure to clear the permissions. This ensures that only verified members can have access to certain permissions. Go back, click on the channel, and create a new channel named Verify here. Click on Create Channel. Go to your server name again and click on App Directory. Search for Dino. Click on the DinoBot. Click on Add App and visit the site. Select the server where you want to add the bot. Then click on Continue. Authorize the bot. Confirm that you are a human. Go to Modules and search for reaction roles. Turn on the toggle and click on Settings. Give it a name like Verify. Select the channel and make sure to choose the Verify Here channel. From the message type options, toggle on Plain Message. You can add a custom description and then click on Add Reaction. Add any reaction emoji that you like. Let's say I want to add this one. In the Roles section, make sure the verified role is selected. You can come back later to configure it further, then click on Save. Go back to your Discord server. As you can see, we have successfully added the verification bot. When I click on the emoji, I will be successfully verified. We learned how to set up a Discord verification system using a security bot role, a verification channel, and reaction-based verification. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.